Alright, so this is why I'm replacing this. I had to weld the race of the old differential that exploded to the old subframe. So now I got a new subframe in the truck. Switch these over and weld the new diff, and hopefully can drive again. See, this one's nice and shiny and new. Brand new.
Once you actually start doing it, it's a little
Actions.
the text was like in the quiz though.
Nice. Yeah, you always want to have the wrong size socket too.
You would just fire them. Wow. You on there good?
Yep.
I'm unimpressed. Oh.
You want to stand on this? Just right up here.
My full body weight?
Yep.
That was really wobbly. Well, we just use my teeth and pull it out.
Now Hollywood magic. That didn't really happen that easily. Sorry, guys. I believe that's how you get the axle out. It's gotta be.
What you'll notice? Oh, great auto repairman.
Ew. I got the diff back from Anthony, my buddy that welded it. Turns out the diff I got from Nate was a LSD, not an open. You had to weld in those little holes. It spins, so I guess maybe this one won't blow up as soon. I don't know. Ew. What's that? What the fuck is that? Dude, what is that? This just came off the diff. I don't know. That's not good. Dude, what is this? That better not be one too. That's cool. Ugh. So I just pulled a chunk off the diff. So it looks like someone stripped that out, broke a chunk, and then just RTV'd it back in place. Fun. Cars are so fun, dude. So whoever had this before me drove this bolt through the casing, drove this bolt through the casing, and the same on this side. So there's this RVT covering this hole. So again, just a stupid hang up that you don't expect. Dude, I'm so over this. They just put like metal there. So that's not happening today. I got to get a new support because that one's all cracked before I put it in the car. Total waste of time. Sick. As you can see, I put the rear subframe back in the car. This has been like a month from the last part of this video you just saw. I've been waiting on parts, like missing little bolts, missing little things here and there, and finally got, I think, everything. But it's like 5 degrees out. Okay, maybe not, it's like 20. So the key to putting the diff in is you don't want to have the diff already mounted in the subframe because you won't be able to have it fit. Ask me how I know. I cut this piece of wood so I was able to have the jack, have it evenly in between that brace and then the front brace. I'm using the jack with my foot. So I'm lining up axles on the diff because once it's all the way up, it's a pain in the butt to have it fit. Ah, come on. All right. Calm. This bracket here, you do not need to have it attached to this at all. It's just hung up right now. So I'm gonna get this out of the way. Once it's up in there, then you do that last. So, wish me luck. Now what you wanna do is attach all the nuts on here so they don't fall off. Ow. Yay. These guys. There we go, that's a better shot, right? Ow! Smells like burning plastic for some reason. Diff is attached. Now I gotta tighten the axles onto the diff that I told you to put the bolts on that I just didn't, because you know what. Alright, so it's all back together. Kay just helped me bleed the brakes. And I just torqued the axle nuts. Do not forget that. Now what we gotta do is get this transfer pump and fill up the transmission because I lost all the transmission fluid and the drive shaft fell out. After that, car's all ready to drive, except for the exhaust, which kind of broke it, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Hi! I gotta open the fill bolt, which is like a square bolt right here. You can see this guy, so I'm gonna crack that loose, fill it with my transfer pump, and then hopefully the thing's ready to move. Okay, surprisingly that worked. Okay, cool. Cool. Now fill it up, and this is gonna be messy and gross. Oh, 2 hands for this. Jesus. Okay. Nice. Alright. It's in there. Let's see what happens. Alright, it's full. We gotta cap it and then roll out of the car, lower it, and we are ready to roll. Yay. So that pretty much is gonna do it, but now we'll be able to move the giant pizza oven out of the way, put it in the back, because now I can move the Miata, move the E30 where the Miata is, and organize everything, and then get into getting that ready for the next dyno tune, which probably in a few months. But that's gonna do it for the Miata. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. I will see you at the track.